Hey guys, I heard a good word from one of our pastors here in the Cincinnati area about who's your one. He used the kit, was able to preach from it for about 5 weeks out. They prayed for at least one person that they could invite to church that didn't know Jesus. They used prayer cards to do that, and then 2 weeks out, they had a time of prayer and commitment for inviting someone to their Easter services. And on Easter Sunday, they doubled their attendance. They usually run about 54 on average for the first few months of 2019. They had 108 show up on Easter Sunday. And the most that they've ever had on Easter Sunday was about 73 or 74. But I thought that was a good word about who's your one, and it shows the power of every person, each one of us, having one person to adopt, be able to pray for, and seek to share the good news of Jesus with them as well. God is blessing. Who's your one?